Hey guys, how you doing? I'm just provisioning a phone for somebody. So I actually got the phone right over here. Um, Usually what I like to do is I like to get like another phone or another person, and I want to mirror that phone or that person, if that makes sense. So what I did was I went into Cisco Call Manager, and I grabbed a directory number from somebody else's phone, and I just hit copy. So now I'm gonna I just changed the name of the new, because it's a new hire. I put their name there, and then either way is you go to the back of the phone. Um, you get the MAC address, you put it in there, and then you hit save, and then you start provisioning the lines on the phone. So stuff falling over here. All right, so we're gonna get the MAC address. This one is actually C4. So every time you do these kinds of things, you always want to get like a working example as a phone. You have a working example, you should be good. So now if it's done correctly, the phone number and the phone should pop up. But I'm not quite done just yet, so I have to give it a phone number. So I'm gonna do that right now. So we're gonna go here, and that number is 75887. The route partition would be whatever route partition your company has. Mine has a template already. So this is 75587. I'm gonna put the person's name here. This is a new hire I'm just setting up, and I'm just gonna. It said as New York guest, the phone number, but don't care about that. We just want to set it up now. So everything else looks good. I'm gonna caller ID. Caller ID would be whatever number you assign it. 75587 will be the extension. 75587. Seven five eight eight seven, and you have the full phone number of the string. 5887, and then since I created the account, I want to associate the end user with this phone number or this phone. So I'm going to go into user ID, contains, look for their AD username or password. Search what their first name may be. There we go, I found them. They're in compliance, and add selected. So I'm gonna hit save. I'm gonna hit apply config. I'm gonna hit OK. Should be the right one. C4B 36A 35 40E. Yeah, so this looks right. I'm not sure what that is. I'm gonna remove that device. I'm gonna remove whatever the other device is, because this is not the right one. It's messing with this account. Alright. So if done correctly, it's supposed to restart, which it is. It's gonna say detecting network, the phone number, the name, everything should pop up for this person. So we'll see if that happens. This phone is registering. And the name is right there. And the phone number is right there. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Simple. Not hard. It's not complicated. And then I'm gonna assign a voicemail in the mailbox, and we should be good. We should be good after that. So this looks right. The phone number is there. Let me just make sure that it's actually set up properly. How do I know that? I just go into my phone number or my phone profile. Yeah, so it looks right, but let me go back for a second. I am gonna remove the number, the extension number on it. Thing is, I have someone else I could mirror, so I'm looking at that particular line to see if it's the same thing. Does that make sense? Let's see. So line text label needs to be changed. So I'm gonna remove the extension here. I'm gonna hit save. Apply config. And if the phone number is working, you should be able to call it. So I made a change on it just now. So let's see here. This phone number is working, hopefully.
Sorry, Kevin.
I'm able to call myself. Let's see. Should be able to call my cell. That seemed to work. Call my cell. All right. So I was able to do internal, external phone calls. It's working. So all I gotta worry about is the voicemail. And that's it. We're good. I'll talk to you guys later, alright? You guys have a good day.